Keep pulling, it's coming up.
Yes, we did it!
Vast fields yield the raw power of cassava harvested by advanced machines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Harvesting begins as colossal machinery gathers the raw material from the earth. The journey begins as freshly harvested cassava embarks on its path to transformation. Advanced hydraulics ensure efficient, high-volume transfer of raw materials. Automated systems ensure a seamless, high-capacity flow from intake to processing. Massive quantities of cassava roots begin their journey entering the high-tech cleaning process. The rotary drum meticulously sifts away impurities, ensuring pristine raw material. The journey continues as collected cassava roots enter the automated washing channel. Each root undergoes a thorough and rigorous cleaning process. From raw harvest to pristine cleanliness, automation streamlines every step. Colossal machines begin their work, transforming raw cassava into a refined product. Inside, abrasive rollers meticulously strip away the earthy outer layers. The pinkish cortex is then precisely removed, preparing the root for starch extraction. Soon, pristine white starchy cores begin to emerge, signifying successful peeling. This automated process delivers uniformly peeled roots, ensuring consistent quality. These gleaming white cores are now perfectly prepared for the next stage, crushing and fiber extraction. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Experts meticulously inspect each root, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Peeled cassava roots enter colossal raspers, initiating the transformation into starch. A symphony of powerful machinery pulverizes roots into a fine wet mash. The newly formed cassava mash is efficiently moved along, ready for the next phase. Automated systems ensure precise and continuous operation within the plant. High-speed blades meticulously transform the raw material. The heart of starch extraction begins as cassava mash enters colossal centrifugal extractors. Powerful forces precisely isolate the valuable starch from the fibrous components. Sophisticated systems ensure both efficiency and purity at every stage. This precision engineering ensures maximum starch yield and product purity. From raw roots to pure starch, every stage is optimized for quality and yield. From the extractors, two distinct streams emerge, defining the path to pure starch. Meanwhile, the fibrous pulp is separated, destined for sustainable secondary applications. The refined starch milk embarks on its journey towards final purification and concentration. This precise separation underscores the efficiency of modern cassava starch production. The journey of cassava starch purification begins within this towering array. Hundreds of hydrocyclones work in unison to separate impurities. Advanced automation ensures peak efficiency and minimal waste. Every drop of starch milk is meticulously purified. Engineered for excellence, ensuring the highest starch quality. This vital step removes impurities, concentrating the pure starch. Colossal hydrocyclone towers meticulously refine starch mill, separating impurities through powerful centrifugal force. The underflow channel collects purified starch while impurities exit through the overflow, ensuring maximum product purity. The hydrocyclone system ensures a continuous flow, making the refining process highly efficient and automated. The concentrated starch is collected now, ready for dewatering, a testament to precision engineering. This advanced refining stage is crucial, ensuring the high quality demanded by modern industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Experts meticulously monitor quality, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. In the dewatering section, massive vacuum drum filters extract moisture from the purified starch slurry. These giant drums rotate continuously, initiating the crucial separation of water from the concentrated starch. As vacuum suction engages, water is efficiently pulled away, leaving behind a pure damp starch cake. Automated scraper blades precisely detach the now dewatered starch cake from the colossal drum surface. A vast network of state-of-the-art machinery operates seamlessly, demonstrating the immense scale of this production. The resulting damp starch cake is remarkably pure, ready for the final drying stages. From dewatering, the starch cake begins its transformation into a fine dry powder. Inside the dryer, a powerful updraft of superheated air begins its work, instantly transforming the wet starch. Automated systems meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring peak efficiency and consistent product quality. The final product, a pristine, fine dry powder, cascades beautifully, a testament to modern processing. The entire drying section operates with immense scale and technological prowess, a symphony of automation. The journey continues as the perfectly dried starch powder moves towards its final destination packaging. Advanced cyclones efficiently separate pure snow-like starch powder ready for collection. The final product, pristine, high-quality starch collected efficiently in massive silos. Advanced sifting machinery precisely grades starch, guaranteeing uniform particle size. Inside, multi-layered screens meticulously separate particles, achieving perfect uniformity. From this meticulous process, pure, finely graded starch powder emerges ready for stringent quality checks. Every starch particle is meticulously separated, ensuring unparalleled product quality and consistency. The final stage, a fully automated system, precisely packages the quality starch. Precision filling ensures each bag contains the exact weight of premium starch. Each bag is securely heat-sealed, preserving product freshness and integrity. Packaged bags smoothly move along the conveyor, ready for dispatch. High-volume production demands efficient handling and palletization. The final product, premium cassava starch, ready for global distribution. Rigorous quality control ensures only the finest product leaves the facility. Automated systems then prepare the finished product for distribution. From raw material to packaged excellence, every step is meticulously managed.